Okay, number 20. Find all the rational zeros of g of x equals 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 8x plus 21. So the first thing I want to do is I want to use that rational zero theorem where I do p over q, or I do the constant, the factors of the constant over the factors of the leading coefficient. So let me go to a piece of paper to do that. Alright, so my constant is 21. So if I do p over q, my factors, that'd be the factors of 21, 1, 3, 7, and 21, over the leading coefficient, which would be 2, so the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So then 1 over 1 would be 1, and these are all plus or minus. So plus or minus 1, 1 over 2 would be plus or minus 1 half. 3 over 1 would be plus or minus 3. 3 over 2 would be plus or minus 3 halves. 7 over 1 would be 7, plus or minus. 7 over 2 would be plus or minus 7 halves. And 21 over 1 would be 21. And 21 over 2 would be plus or minus 21 halves. So those are all of our possibilities. Now, since this is multiple choice, I'm going to go back and look at my answers. And I see that they all have a -1 and a 3, possibly. So I'm going to use synthetic division and use -1 and see if I get a remainder of 0. So do I have any missing terms? 3, 2, 1. No. So I'm going to go back to my piece of paper. And I'm going to try -1. And my coefficients are 2, -11, 8, and 21. Normally I would do Descartes' rule of signs and then start choosing numbers, but since this was multiple choice, I decided to kind of take a shortcut. So 2 times -1 is -2. Combine, you get -13. -13 times -1 is +13. Combine, you get 21. 21 times -1 is -21. Combine, you get 0. So therefore, -1 is a solution. So that worked out good. Okay, but this was a third degree function, had an highest exponent of 3, so there's got to be 2 more. So now what I want to do, since this was third degree, this is the depressed polynomial that starts with an exponent 1 less than what we started with, so that'll be squared. So now I'm going to take 2x squared minus 13x plus 21, and I'm going to set it equal to 0. And you can either factor or do a quadratic formula. I'm going to try to factor it. There's no GCF. So, since I have a 2 right here, that means guess and test. So I know 2x and x have to go here because that's the only thing you can multiply to get 2x squared. Now I need 2 numbers that go here and here that'll give me 21. I'm suspecting 7 and 3. So if I put a 7 here and a 3 here, that would give me 6x on the outside, 7x on the inside. 7x and 6x is 13. So if I make both of them negative, that'll give me my -13 in the middle, and then when I multiply -7 times -3, I would get +21. So there are my factors. Now I can just set each one of these equal to 0 and solve. So 2x minus 7 equals 0. Add 7 to both sides. 2x equals 7. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 7 halves. Then x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides. X equals 3. So my 3 solutions are -1, 7 halves, and 3. Which is F. -1, 7/2, and 3. Okay.